All right, this is going to be me and Julio Down by the Schoolyard by Paul Simon. So we're going to start out with this A shape here, 6-5-5. We're going to have to use that shape quite a bit, so let's get used to that right out of the gate. We're going to have to go to these 7s over here. And it's good to use this different finger for that. Okay, so we got like down, down, up, and then kind of a 2-stroke thing. You could go downs or whatever. Those are kind of ups though. And that's kind of like da 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 da, dun da da dee dee dum dum da 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 da. And that's gonna go like 7 times before the verse. So it's kind of like. You got like 4 of those, and then the band starts coming in. You do 3 more. Okay, then the verse is gonna start. We're gonna have. Okay, so let's look at that again. We got A to D here. We're gonna have. Okay, so dum da da dum da dum dum da dum. So those are ups. Up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down. And on that D, you're gonna have like 2 sets of that up, 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 down. And then E, and that's kind of standard there. Dum, da, da, dum, da, dum, dum, da, dum, dum, da, dum. Okay, so let's look at that verse again. 3, 4. D, up, up, E, A. So that A one is bump, bump, ba da 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 da, and you stop there. So that was ups to start with. Okay, so let's look at the intro one more time. 3, 4. Go ahead, do a verse. Now we're going to go to E, A, okay, so E to A twice right there, and then we're back to another verse piece. D, E, A, stop again, and then we have a D this time. D again. Now we have a new thing. We're going to go A to B to E. So back to D, A. Okay, so here we start a new thing. We're going to have A to G, D to E. So let's look at that. And then we go back to the intro thing. And then we do our A to G, D, E again. And then our intro one more time. And then we're D for the whistle solo, A, back to D. And then our intro chords again. And then back to D. And A. And then we have the A, G thing. A, G, D, E, intro. Again. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to hold that E a little longer that time to set up the new verse. So it ends up being 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Okay, so let's look at from the whistle solo. Back to D. And then those intro chords. And this is like an A to like a D6. Because the D would be kind of like that. So all 7s here is either the top of a B minor chord. I think it's more of a D6 in this case. So it's A, D6, A to E. That's that intro thing. Let's go from the second verse piece. So 2, 3, and. Going to D, E, back to A, and stop. Going to D, and A, D. Here's so we have A, B to E. Back to D, A, and here's where we have the first A to G. A, G, D to the E, and then intro. And then A, G, D to the E, intro again. Whistle solo. D, intro chords. D again. A, and then we got the A, G. Intro chords. A to G again. Intro. 1, 2, 3. Now we got a new verse. Going to D, up, up. So that one does not have a stop, so you just keep chugging on that A. Now D, A, back to D, and then A to the B to the E, D again, A, and then we got our A, G thing, and then intro, then A to G thing, intro, A to G again. Now one guitar cuts out and the other one starts playing not on the downbeat but on the upbeat. So it's like, so if you kind of had a chick and then resume the strum, now you're playing on those upbeats, not on the downbeats. So downbeat would be like, that's right on the downbeat, right? So you could go like chick, up, down, up, chick, up, down, up, chick, up, down, up. And after about 4 of those, the other guitar comes back in with the downbeats. And it does it a whole bunch of times, like 12 times or something, and fades out. Okay, so let's look at all these parts again. So the intro again was, okay, so that's A to like a D6, A to E. Dum da da dee da bum bum da da da. So like I say, it's like 7 times of that. And then a verse starts, we're gonna have the A, we're gonna hold it longer. And down to D, up strokes, E. See that E was on a down again. And the A is on a up. Stop, going to E, A, E again, A again. Stay on A, next verse part. D on the upstroke, E, A, and stop, going to D this time, back to D, and then here's the A to the B to the E, back to D, and then we have our A, G thing, A, G, D to the E, and then intro chords. Then the A, G, D to the E intro, and whistle solo, D, A, back to D, and then intro chords, back to D, A, and then we got our A, G thing again, intro, A, G, D to the E intro. 1, 2, 3, next verse. This time, no stop. D, A, Down by the Schoolyard by Paul Simon. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint.